Penny here with SwissWatchExpo, taking a look at two of our watches on straps. But these straps are really fun and bold and colorful. The one on my wrist on the teal strap is a Cartier Tonneau, and the shape originally comes from the very early 1900s, so it's a classic Cartier shape. It's made of 18 karat white gold, it's got diamonds all around the bezel, and it's got a really subtle diamond pattern on the face of the watch, if you can see it. And it's also got Arabic numerals in this really fun and funky font, as opposed to the traditional Cartier Roman numerals. So altogether, added with this fantastic teal leather strap, it's just a really funky and different look for a Cartier watch. And this one on the table is a Cartier Tank Americaine, which was originally produced in the 80s. So it's a very traditional Cartier shape with very traditional Cartier Roman numerals, but it's on this bright, bold purple strap. So both of these watches show that you can have a very traditional Cartier shape, but make it very funky and modern and different with just a really bright strap. So check out both of these watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.